guys, good evening. So I am here in New York City. So it's actually my second time here, but it's my first time vlogging, and I'm very excited because nothing. No, I'm gonna get a new camera. I actually bought a new camera because I still love this camera. I'm still gonna use it. It's just like that one is a bit smaller, so I'm gonna get it later. So for tonight, I'm gonna be vlogging with this camera, my Canon G7X Mark II, and then tomorrow when I go out, I'm going to try using the new one and then maybe do a little bit of a comparison for the both of them. So today I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna meet my friend. We're gonna watch Broadway, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go around. I really hope it's not that cold, because it's still February and it's still winter. And then we're gonna watch Broadway today. Oh my god, maybe that's her. So I'm just gonna go there right now, and let's see tomorrow where am I gonna go. Yes, it's Food Network, obviously. So let's go. Hi. Wait, my face.
How do I look?
Alright.
Nag-rain kasi. Uy. I'm so awkward.
Hi guys. We just watched Chicago. And now we're gonna eat.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat Chicago Juniors.
American food.
Hi guys, so I'm now back to the hotel. It took me a bit of time because I think, well, I got lost going to the Ambassador Theater, and then I got a bit lost coming back home, and then it's raining. Anyways, so remember, so I'm gonna do a bit of unboxing. I told you that I was expecting like one of my cameras to, the camera that I ordered. So the camera that I bought is the DJI, a small pocket too. So it's actually just this small. And I also bought the waterproof case because, well, I have money. And just in case, I will do some underwater shots or whatnot now. Yeah, so this is the cover, the micro tripod, the main controls, wood stick. This one, tripod mount, charging cable, wide angle lens, smartphone adapter, do it all handle, just this one, microphone screen, and wireless microphone. So I'm just gonna set it up now. So hey guys, so I was just setting up my DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's see if it doesn't rain later, because it's already like 1:30 in the morning, because I was stupid in setting it up. Then I'm gonna try it out. If not, I don't know. But I really wanna go out later, because I wanna buy some things. Hopefully it will still fit in my bag. And let's see how my new toy works. So I'll see you in the morning. Hey guys, so good morning. Yes, so we're still here in New York, and I'm now using my DJI Osmo Pocket camera. So I'm gonna go out by myself. Let's just hope that I don't get lost like last night. Like, I was just like 5 minutes from being late for curtain call for Broadway. So yes, now we're just gonna go around the places that I went to the last time, so that I can show you guys what you can do in New York for one day. So I don't know if you can hear me, guys. So our first stop is Grand Central Station. So it's a 14-minute walk from my hotel. So in New York, you gotta walk. Lost for 30 minutes, or I don't know why reading maps are hard for me. So now I've arrived here at, well, not arrived, yeah, I've arrived in Brooklyn Bridge again. So I'm just gonna show you. So it's there, but it's so far. of them, and then I declined because I'm so shy. So I think I'm gonna go now and go to Central Park. I'm so shy. I'm so shy. Okay, bye. There we go. Brooklyn Bridge right there. Okay, an update. So I asked someone to take a photo of me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna post that. I think it was okay. Yeah, there's something there. So now I'm gonna head to Central Park. So guys, that's just a glimpse of Central Park. I'm not gonna go inside because I want to go to the Met. So as you can see, the lake, it's frozen. So guys, this is the Met. Let's see where we can buy tickets because we're so confused. I hope we can go. No. Hi guys, so I'm now back at the hotel. So yes, I took a taxi because my phone was dead and I was lost. I was so lost. Like I couldn't even. It was like I knew that I was walking around in circles, and it's just like I was almost going to lose my mind. So I'm like, and then I couldn't walk anymore. So I just like, no, I'll just grab a taxi. And I know it's just around the area, so I'm like, gosh. I mean, I did like ask one lady, and then I was so confused, and then I asked another one. She didn't know. So I just took a taxi. He was very kind. He let me borrow his phone to search for the location. So I told him that he basically saved my life because, you know, guys, I'm really scared of getting lost. So that's why, like, this vlog is short. I wanted to do a lot of things, but then my sense of direction was really failing me today, and I was so sad that I was only at the Met for a very short time. I really enjoyed it. Like, well, I wasn't allowed to take a video there, so I just took some pictures, but I want to go back because there are a lot of things that, you know, I haven't seen yet, and I was like there for a very short time, so should go there. And MoMA. I'm so stupid. I thought you know Van Gogh's The Starry Night was at the Met, but it's at MoMA. I didn't have time to go already, so that's it. That's it for this newer vlog. Seeing me get lost a million times. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next vlog. Bye.